So when I was working in construction, believe it or not, I actually didn't carry a Glock 19 or a Glock 26. I actually carried this with me. This is my 22 LR Smith & Wesson 43C. Yes, it is empty. This is it's a really fun gun, but also when I was working in construction, I just didn't want to carry a gun that was intrusive and in the appendix because it was really uncomfortable, and especially when you're moving about all day, lifting heavy objects, and just you have to be very flexible, and carrying an appendix or even strong side, sometimes it wasn't viable because your body just couldn't handle it. So I resorted to this in my DeSantis leather holster that I ordered off of Amazon, and it worked really well for when I was working in that job, because this would just go into my pant pocket on my right side and it would be very comfortable. But now that summertime is rolling around and the weather is just getting a lot more hot, I'm often resorting to shorts, and most of the shorts I wear are like basketball shorts. They just use the elastic drawstrings. They don't have a belt or anything with them. I tend to find that carrying in this type of holster actually kind of weighs down the pants, and on top of that, the athletic material of the pants kind of makes a huge bulge in the right pocket, and I'm not a fan of how it looks like too, because it kind of gives it away. So, and on top of that, yes, I know that this gun is very light, but it still sometimes will start sagging the pants, especially if you start jogging or you're running or anything like that. So I decided a couple days ago to find a new alternative now that I am no longer working in construction. So I went ahead and ordered a Phlster City Special, and this one ran about $95 roughly for the holster, and this one was created for appendix carry, which I am really excited about. And so that's what this video is about. So let's go ahead and get the package over here and let's start unboxing it. Ta-da, here it is, and I'm really excited. Oh, by the way, this came in really quick too, so shout out to Phlster for getting the orders shipped out and to here very quickly. I really appreciate that. Okay, nothing else. Let's go ahead. Okay, so first thing, we get a cool sticker. I'm gonna put this on my computer. That's really cool. Which is cool. Ooh, look at this. You get some kind of pamphlet with this. Let's go ahead and tear this open. There we go. I like kind of that foil it has in the inside. It looks really cool. It looks very futuristic or something. So here it is. Go ahead and put that out of the way. So, with that out of the way, let's see, what is this? Okay, so they left this piece in here. This is pretty much just a extended, so this is the wing right here. And if you find that it's not pushing on the belt enough, then you could switch it out for this, which I'm going to try it just as is and see how it is first. But yeah, you could just switch it out very easily with the screw. So here it is, the Phlster City Special. Looks really good, very high quality. Again, it feels really nice, very good in the hands. No jagged edges or anything, all very smooth and round out J-frame. So let's go ahead and remove it out of our DeSantis holster here. And let's go ahead and just put it in here. Ready? You guys ready? Ooh, that's a good positive click right there. Oh, nice. So I'm just going to leave everything standard as is. Okay, guys, so with that being said, let's go ahead and try it. All right, guys, we are ready to put it on the belt, and if you're wondering how I'm going to do it with these shorts, well, I'm using my Mastermind Tactics Specialist belt. So, enough talking. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and put it on the belt and try it out. Ooh, nice. I like it. I like it. Okay, so let's go ahead. As you can see, guys, wow, that is actually shocking, honestly. I thought it feels much more lighter than, I mean, obviously it's going to be lighter, but it feels a lot better than having a Glock 19 or a Glock 26 on you. Wow, this actually is awesome. I like it. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it for the Phlster City Special unboxing and first impressions. Overall, I would say this is awesome. The only thing I have to do is just untighten it. It was a little bit tight. I couldn't draw it out of the holster. So guys, that is it for the Phlster City Special for my Smith & Wesson Model 43C. I hope you enjoyed, and if you are looking for a appendix carry holster for your J-frames, this is the one. This is the one. You should get it.